If you're considering trying out the just released Srcbook AI software, there are 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know. This new tool is making waves, and by the end of this video, you'll understand why. Keep watching because I'll be diving deep into its features, what makes it stand out, and whether it lives up to the hype. First off, Srcbook AI is a software that is designed to streamline your workflow, but what sets it apart from other AI tools on the market? Well, it integrates multiple AI-driven capabilities that help businesses improve their content creation, social media management, and marketing efforts. If you're someone who's looking for ways to enhance digital marketing efficiency without relying on multiple tools, Srcbook AI could be a game changer. One of the most impressive features is its ability to generate high-quality content at lightning speed. Whether you need blog posts, product descriptions, or even social media captions, Srcbook AI can help you produce engaging and relevant content in minutes. It uses a combination of natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to understand your specific needs and tailor the content to match your tone, style, and target audience. But here's where it gets even better. Srcbook AI also comes with a robust content optimization tool. It doesn't just create content, it helps refine it. With built-in SEO optimization features, you can improve your content's performance on search engines right from the platform. It will suggest keywords, analyze readability, and even give you recommendations on how to make your content more engaging to your target demographic. Now, if you're wondering whether it's easy to use, the answer is yes. Srcbook AI features an intuitive user interface that's simple enough for beginners but powerful enough for advanced marketers. You don't need to be a tech expert to start using it, and there's minimal learning curve. This makes it accessible to a wide range of users, from small business owners to large enterprises. Another standout feature is the AI-powered analytics. Srcbook AI doesn't just help you create and optimize content, it also helps you track its performance. By offering in-depth insights into how your content is performing across various platforms, you can make data-driven decisions to boost your engagement and conversions. This is a huge benefit for marketers who want to track the ROI of their content in real time. Additionally, Srcbook AI gives you full control over your content calendar. With the scheduling and automation features, you can plan your posts ahead of time, ensuring your content is consistently delivered to your audience at the right time. This reduces the manual effort involved in managing social media and blog posts, which is a major time saver. One of the biggest concerns when using AI software is data privacy. I get it, you don't want your business information exposed. Fortunately, Srcbook AI takes data security seriously. It follows strict protocols to ensure that your data remains safe and confidential, so you can focus on your marketing efforts without worrying about leaks or breaches. Finally, and this is crucial, you can try Srcbook AI completely free. No need to commit upfront. Simply check out the first link in the description to get started and see for yourself what it's all about. In conclusion, Srcbook AI brings a lot of value to the table for anyone looking to streamline their digital marketing efforts. With its content creation capabilities, SEO optimization, analytics, and automation, it's designed to save you time and increase your marketing effectiveness. After trying thousands of AI software tools myself, I've narrowed down a list of recommended ones that work, and you'll find those in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to try out Srcbook AI free today to see if it's the right fit for you.